here is graham cracker crumbs. So I've taken a couple of graham crackers and I've just smashed them up really, really, really fine. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix together some yellow and some green liquid gel. And then I'm going to add a little bit of alcohol to it. You add alcohol to it to help mix it and distribute the colors, but you, instead of water, you add alcohol because the high-proof alcohol will evaporate and keep this from being a really wet mixture. It'll be more of a dry mixture. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do that right now. Just a little bit. Probably not as much of the yellow. I just kind of want it to be more of a limey green. So I do want to put a little bit of yellow in it. So I'm doing this for a topiary. Alright, so I've got that in there, and now I'm just going to mix this up really, really well. It's not really mixing well with this, so I'm going to have to find something else. Okay, so I turned my scribe over, and I'm using the big end of my scribe, and it is mixing really well with that. I've got to hurry and get it into the stuff before the alcohol like evaporates so quickly, so I've got to get it in there. And I may not have mixed enough, so we're going to see. So I've got it in the bag, and I'm gonna, I definitely did mix enough, so I'm gonna have to do some more and see if I can mix it a little bit better. Add a little bit more alcohol. I'm gonna mix that into there, and let's see if this does the trick. Ooh, look, it's turning all mossy green. This is gonna be so cute. I like that it still has a little bit of the brown look to it as well. I think that's gonna make it look more real. I need more color in it, so I'm gonna just add more alcohol. The alcohol just evaporates so quick. So I'm going to add a little bit more alcohol, and it's going to pull my color that's already in the thing. I'm going to put that in there, close this back up, and mix some more. You know, and of course you can mix this to whatever color you want. If you want it to be darker, lighter, whatever, you can decide on that. I think mine is just perfect like it is, so I'm probably just going to